Many popular trading indicators, such as the MACD or the RSI, share a specific mathematical property. They are lagging indicators, meaning their calculations are derived from price data that has already occurred. The practical result of this lag is that the signal often arrives after the price has made its move. By the time a crossover or an overbought reading appears, the initial opportunity for entry may have already passed. To address this, we will build a price action setup directly on your charts, focusing on the current candle's behavior as it forms, allowing for decisions based on price movement as it happens. Open your charting software. TradingView is a standard option for this, and load any basic candlestick chart to begin the setup. Shifting your focus from lagging calculations to price action changes how you interact with the chart. It moves you from waiting for an indicator's permission to observing the market's immediate behavior. The first step is identifying high-conviction support. Scan the history of your chart for a large green candlestick that has no wicks on either the top or the bottom. This specific candle shape indicates that buyers were aggressive enough to sustain the move from the open to the close without any significant price rejection. At this specific level, buying pressure outweighed selling pressure for the entire duration of the candle. Look at this example. Draw a horizontal support line precisely at the flat base of this wickless candle. As the price moves forward, notice how it returns to this exact level and reacts, bouncing sharply because buyers previously found this price attractive. Identifying these wickless candles allows you to mark support zones based on high-volume buying activity rather than arbitrary lines. Next, apply a 50-day moving average to your chart to visualize mean reversion. While volatile, price tends to return to its average. When the price overextends significantly away from this line, there is a high probability it will eventually return toward the average. You can use these moments where the price is stretched far below the average as potential signals for a long position. However, catching a dip is only one part of the equation. You also need to evaluate the momentum of the recovery that follows. Look at these two trends. The first climb is gradual, but after a slight pullback, the next upward movement happens at a much steeper angle. This visual change in slope indicates that the rate of buying is increasing. Combining the trigger of mean reversion with the visual confirmation of increasing momentum provides a more objective way to judge the strength of an entry. To measure the health of a pullback, we use the Fibonacci retracement tool, but the default settings on most platforms are cluttered with levels that can make a chart difficult to read. Select a Fibonacci tool from your sidebar, place it on the screen, and open the Settings menu. To simplify the visual, uncheck all levels except for these 5: 0, 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, and 1. Reducing this visual noise helps you identify key levels faster, allowing for more efficient analysis when the market is moving quickly. To use the tool, click on the lowest point of the recent trend and drag it to the highest point. A weak pullback occurs when the price dips but stays above the 0.382 line. On this chart, you can see the price retraces into this upper zone before continuing its upward move. A weak pullback suggests few traders are exiting, signaling the prevailing trend remains strong. Contrast that with a strong pullback. If price drops below the 0.383 threshold, it indicates aggressive profit-taking or a potential change in trend direction. Grading pullbacks this way gives you a consistent framework for deciding whether a dip is a buying opportunity or a sign to stay out of the market. You now have a newly configured workspace, including wickless support lines, a 50-day average for mean reversion, momentum slope analysis, and a simplified pullback tool. It is important to remember that these price action signals do not guarantee a specific outcome in every instance. The market is inherently volatile. However, when these tools align, showing a price at support, overextended from its average, and showing a weak pullback, they provide multiple layers of evidence for a trade. Using them in confluence offers a more complete picture than any single indicator could on its own. If you have successfully set up your chart today, please like the video. To see how to apply this foundation to a specific trading strategy, watch the video linked on the screen now.